Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Wife, and I am here with entry number 40. And wow, is this not just so festive? It was in a package, but there was information on front and on the back, so I had to open it. I have not touched it since. But look at all this fun scatter. There is puffy hearts and wooden hearts and sequin hearts. I think I feel a little loved. Actually, y'all have. Y'all have made me feel so welcome and so loved in this community with all your blessings that y'all have sent me. Now, no complaints here, but we've got a couple more days, and your package should be postmarked by Friday, the 22nd. And then the following week, I will give it that week sometime to make sure all the entries are in, and then it will be cleanup time because, wow, my room. I've got boxes and tissue papers everywhere trying to decide which ones I want to save, which all the tissue paper, unless I ripped it, it gets saved, and then there's some boxes I'd like to keep as well. So, all right, I'm just running at the mouth like I always do. Let's see what we got here. But yes, this is so fun. Thank you for all that. It's fun, it's festive, and usable. Now I'm going to have a whole little box with nothing but hearts in it. And she has gifted me, so I'm not going to even try to pull these all out. There is so much in here. From little bitty, let's see, you're a little higher today for me. Little bitty teddy bears, hearts, snowflakes. Oh my gosh. Rosita, look, there's frogs. I'm sending you some. No, my goodness. Flowers, bows, tags, hearts, clips, snowflakes, sequin snowflakes. It looks like even mason jars in there. Little bitty bow. Oh my gosh. Thank you for that. My goodness. And then, let's see. Oh, she has sent me some Christmas stickers. Yes, y'all, I've got my knife handy, just in case. No, y'all know why. I've already told you. If you have it, it's hidden. There's a reason why that's in here, and it's in one of the, not hidden, it's at the beginning. It's in one of my other videos to explain why. Because I'm protecting myself. No. Okay, let's set this here. Oh my gosh, this is so fun and festive. Oh, and all the crosses. And they're all wooden in different shapes, different sizes. Wow, thank you for that. I don't have any of those either. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. Those can be used all year long, and especially at Easter time. And oh my goodness, she has sent this little satchel full of these buttons. Oh my gosh, there's so many again. Wow, you have just, look. Looky there. Oh, I know where that's going. If I ever get time to craft on my own. I love elephants. And there's a fox. My goodness, I don't want to lose them all or mix them with the hearts. But there's snowflakes and cupcakes and kitty cats and lions and tigers. Oh my. Aw, handmade with love button. Oh my goodness. There's Christmas. Christmas. I love that elephant. And let's see. Oh, there's a giraffe. More snowflakes. Oh, there's a little raccoon. How cute is he? Oh my goodness, sweetheart. Thank you so much for this. Don't let me drop any. Okay. Thank you. Wow, you just sent a ton of everything that you send, don't you? And look at these. I love these. These are so cute. I love them. Those are great, especially if like you do like ATC cards, you need something smaller. And these are great for something like that. I mean, you can use them for many different things, but that's what comes to mind with these kind of stickers because I love them for that. And then, oh my goodness, more gorgeous butterflies. Wow, these even have the little bodies in the center. Look at, okay, let me go here. Oh my gosh, so many. Where do y'all find these? I just do not see them. So many colors, so many sizes. And there's little another hearts. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Wow, you overwhelmed me. But my gosh, look at the, okay, yeah, that was very country. And I ain't gonna apologize for it. But look at all those itty bitty sequin, is it sequins, or would this be like almost like jumbo glitter size? It is so pretty and iridescent. Can y'all see that, or am I giving you a glare? Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous snowflakes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Even more. Wow. Oh my gosh. I want a pile of this to jump in. That'd be a huge pile, but they're so fun. And then look, some more foam shapes, except for these. Oh my gosh, Dollar Days. We have not had a Dollar Days around here in so many years. These have got words and little cutouts. That looks like fingernails, or no, that's a purse. Oh my gosh. I was like, wait a minute, it almost looks like my big old thumb. Sunglasses and stars and flowers and hearts. And I love these little combs and tank tops and hula skirts or skirts. Oh my gosh, those are awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what's in this. I hope there wasn't a specific order. Oh, wait, I'm going to hold off on that one because that is not, I thought this was the memory decks because of the size. I guess that's what you get for thinking, huh? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, how fun. It's a snow globe. And it's got Rudolph. How stinking cute is that? Specially made for you. I apologize. I apologize. I did not. I said this is entry number 40, but I did not mention who this comes from. Y'all, my head is not on clear anymore. I've lost it somewhere in the pile of y'all's goodies. I apologize, Robin. This is from Robin Renninger. I apologize if I messed up your last name. But y'all all know who she is. She's a great supporter here. And if you're not subscribed to her, go subscribe. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. And let's see. Excuse the crinkle. Beautiful paper. Such fun colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, honey, it's beautiful. She's got this tassel with the cutest little mittens. She's done it in my favorite colors. Oh my. Okay, Carmen. And look, she has done all these different ribbons. Those are gorgeous. And then she's got this one with the silvery. Oh, I love it, honey. I already love it. And then she's got all these embellished poinsettia in blue and white. And then these like tree branches. And then she's got it covered in this beautiful blue and black, like a blue winter, because it's got the snow. It's like a winter theme. And then it says, peace on earth, goodwill to men. And then she's got pearls all the way around those, pearls in the centers, another, the blue snowflake that's all glittered up and gorgeous. She's got a beautiful heart right here. Wow, this is definitely inspiration, and it's magnetized. Wow, y'all know how to create. Look at that. Look at that. I know what I will be transferring all my names to. I think I will use this to put all the names and numbers because I will be doing an old school drawing. I think it's the most fair. I don't know. I don't mind using the computer generated on small little giveaways when there's not as many entries, but when you've got to double it, my gosh, you are very, very clean with your crafting. She's even put, y'all know the name of it, and it's not coming to me right now, so I'm not even going to try. It'll probably come as soon as I quit trying. But, excuse me. But she's even reinforced it, so, oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. I'm going to study this, and I want to get as clean and neat. I'm sorry, I'm taking a while. It's just beautifully, I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful, and I'm overwhelmed by the crafting. Holy moly, and there's my name in blue and silver. How fun! Y'all are so, I mean, y'all are just so creative. I am not even joking how y'all come up with the ideas that y'all come up with for your memory dexes. And so original, so unique, and each and every one, oh my goodness, it opens. Here's the front, and we'll talk about that, but here's the back, and she's put, created just for you by Robin Renninger. Renninger. I apologize, honey. And then she's got the date on it too, and then it's enclosed at the pocket. Instead of the doors closing in the front, this is closing in the back, and that's clever to seal up her information. But she has got, of course, these metallic silver balloons with blue balloons and pink balloons and this gorgeous bow with some silver and sparkles on it. And each little bitty individual bow has a teeny tiny pearl as well. And then it says, happy birthday. And then she's got all these pearls right here. And there's my name. My name shines and sparkles. I love it when y'all do my name. Oh, and then she's got this watercolor marble paper and pink bow with a pearl in the center. Let's learn a little bit of something. Oh my. It's magnetized. Y'all, it started spinning on me. I'm going to hold it close. But it started spinning on me, and I'm like, oh, wait. And then it popped off just like that. I'm like, oh, wow. Man, you are a detailed lady. Wow. Okay. Her name is Miss Robin. I'm not going to butcher your name again, honey. Her favorite color is blue. Her style is simple and cute. Her $5 crafty item. Uh-oh. I just had some tissue paper fall. Her $5 crafty item is embellishments. And her favorite store is Hobby Lobby. Thank you so much for that. And thank you so much. Oh, let me make sure that's on there. Thank you so much for everything. Man, your items are just absolutely gorgeous. Y'all have all blessed me so much. That's all my packages for now. The next video up will be actually from my swap partner. She should have hers today, tomorrow. But I received mine. I mailed mine out like a day or so after she did. So I received mine, and I cannot believe what she sent me. So with that being said, thank you always for watching. I wish you all the best and have a great week.